Hey, this is Steve, and if you find this 2-minute WordPress tip useful, what you should do is subscribe to the channel right now. So if you got an error message on your WordPress website, you were just trying to do an upgrade, maybe of a plugin or a theme, and you've got this message: briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance, check back in a minute. Well, you waited a minute and 5 and 10 and maybe more, and you refreshed and rebooted and maybe even rebooted your internet, and that damn message won't go away. So how do you fix that? What you do is log in to your hosting panel. In my case, that's SiteGround. You might be using a cPanel or other hosting. What you do is look for the file manager. In SiteGround, here it is. When you click on that file manager, look for the public HTML file, here, the folder, and scroll through this folder and look for the maintenance file. You'll see here it says .maintenance. Highlight that and delete that file completely. You'll get a message warning you that it can't be undone. That's not a problem. Simply confirm and the message will go away and that maintenance file will be deleted. So if we actually come back to the public HTML file now and refresh that, you'll see the HTML maintenance file under that public HTML no longer exists. And when we come back to our WordPress website and now refresh to reload that page, you'll see that your website has come back. That's how you fix it. Delete that .maintenance file. If you did find this 2-minute tip useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.